This is a DeWalt stapler. I saw a lot of staplers. I had one in the allotment. It was a little bit getting rusty. Unfortunately, it remained under the rain. We didn't expect it to rain, so a little bit in the polytunnel it got wet at near the door it was. So I bought a new one. I will repair that other one, but just I needed immediately something. Got stuck when I was working with it, so I got a new one. This is with a cast aluminium, so hopefully that will not break with rust. Just to show where it is made, it is made in the Towson, Maryland, MD, in America I think it is, but it's made in Taiwan. The design is from there, and it can take this size of the staples, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 millimeter. Also it can take the 12 millimeter and 15 millimeter nails, and it's tough. So let's just open it. I bought it for £34.99 I think from the Screwfix. So let me open it. Okay, I have now opened it. This is the packaging inside, and there is a little guide here, like a brochure or something. Practically says how to open it and how to work. I must say, I like this lock that is here, quite safe, make it safe, and it looks sturdy and chunky. I like it. Also easy to press. And let me see how it works, this mechanism of putting the staple inside it. Oh, so easy to put it in and out. Just goes in and you press this, it comes out. So easy. And it's made of the cast aluminum, I can say, and show you actually here. You can see inside. That's the aluminum casting. It's covered with a special paint. As you know, aluminum doesn't accept paint. So, I'm looking forward to use it. This is one of the more expensive one, or most expensive one that the Screwfix had. I have seen the other ones. I asked them to bring it to me and let me see how they are. I felt this one is really chunkier and sturdier than all of them. For example, the handle on the other one was plastic, and the metal one didn't look as good as the ones that I bought in the past from the Wix. But this one has a metal handle, and over it is a screwed plastic handle. So it looks quite chunky and heavy. It works really good. It feels really good. It doesn't have anything at the moment inside. Well, look, it left the mark, the hammer action of the trigger release of that left a mark on this fabric here. About this arrow staples, 10 millimeter staples. And I'm looking to see how it will work. It will work with DeWalt staplers, with both stitch stapler, arrow, and Stanley staplers. And I prefer the older Stanley ones that I used to buy from the Wix because they were in the plastic casing. This one looks a little bit, you may lose some of this actually easy. When you open it, the packaging, and try to take some of the stapler, they easily may separate from each other. As you know, the staples are like that. And it may come off. This one I bought, I think, £11.99, £12 almost. So in total, around £47. These two. I think this will work for me. This will work me a lot, and I need this. So that's a good purchase for today.